This is the story of the most exclusive and expensive party the world has ever seen. You already heard some of the lavish, extravagant parties in today's century. However, many of you have not heard about Iran's extravagant and exclusive party, which they had arranged in 1971 in commemoration of the 25th hundred birth year of the Persian dynasty, lasted for 3 days. Economists estimated that the total worth of the party was $635 million in today's currency rate. The party was splendor and magnificent in the world's record history. It got delicious food and drinks from the world's best restaurants, luxury suites for each guest, with equipped every kind of facility and luxury. Everything was embellished with European and French style decor. Moreover, the guest list was exclusively furnished with important guests such as the head of the state from 65 countries, emperors, kings, queens, princes, Saudis, sheikh, sultans, business figures, and other richest guests from 5 different continents. Now you all think that venue was also luxurious for entertaining such elite guests. You might think that maybe a historic castle or 7-star hotels, but no, the venue was middle of the desert with 50 plastic tents, which the unbelievable cost estimated around $635 million. But the area of the desert was enlightened with various luxurious facilities. In this thread, let's explore the world's most extravagant party in world history. In 1971 was reign of Shah Muhammad Raza Pahlavi, the Emperor of Iran, was hosted the most popular party in the entire history. That was the period when the Iranian Revolution occurs and the Iranian monarchy that changed the future of the country forever. Iran in the year of 1960 was in tough condition and miserable state. The Emperor Shah got all government's powers, appointing prime minister, dissolving the parliament, raising an army, declaring war, concluding peace, and authorized for all decision making, and said to be the richest person in the world. Emperor educated in Switzerland and he loves the western and modern lifestyle. He was fond of freedom and modernity, but on the contrary, the people of Iran have different thoughts about liberalism and modernity. Whenever people raise their voice against the dynasty, the secret police of Shah arrest them. He was fond of modernity and freedom, but he never gives freedom to his people to raise. The people of Iran were screaming for help despite being an oil-rich country. The condition of socio-economic was unpleasant. The infrastructure was in a miserable state and half of the population was surviving in poverty. The heavy shortage of water, medical facilities, educational organization and bad situation of industries were major depressed issues. All the substandard conditions were calling for the new state or reform of new orders, but Emperor Shah was thinking about the high standard party. Emperor thought that huge executive and lavish multi-day events would gain the reputation of Iran. According to him, this event raises the splendid and magnificent dynasty's lost reputation. So the emperor decided to arrange a 3 days event in commemorating of 25th hundred anniversary of the foundation, led by the glorious Persian Empire by Cyrus the Great. The Emperor of Iran thought that it would be a great idea to introduce myself as a new great emperor to the world. Before 1 year, the preparation of the party started. The several organizations were working on inviting guests. As I mentioned earlier, the venue was selected as the middle area of the desert, the ancient dry dusty city of Persepolis, because Iran has no proper infrastructure to host the event for such an elite class people. They decided to set up a small village with luxurious tents, but they turned the whole place with green life. Shah imported trees and several species of plants planted in that area, approximately 15,000 trees, and also with several equal numbers of flowers planted there. They required tons of water for them to grow, as already Iran was suffering from water shortage, and planting in a desert was an insane idea. The separate garden was created with especially with several species of roses and tall cypresses by George Truffaut, the famous florist from Versailles. The whole deserted area got poisonous creatures like snakes, scorpions, and spiders, whose one sting is enough to kill anybody. To remove this hurdle, they sprayed creature-killing chemicals up to 30 kilometers and gathered the creatures from here. They found several species of reptiles and sent them for research institution for research. To populate that particular area, the Emperor of Iran imported 50,000 songbirds from Europe, 20,000 sparrows from Spain, and released them towards his newly created forest. Mostly those birds died after a few days because of the hot temperature and lack of water. The area was deserted, so that place was reached at 40 degrees centigrade at noon, while it dropped below 0 degree at night. The separate golf course in the desert developed with bunkers, green and fairways for embellishment or decoration. Shah hired world-class professionals, all were from the renowned European companies, to build the royal tent city. He hired the most popular Johnson company from Paris. The Johnson built the air-conditioned luxury suites for guests and turned them in traditional Persian clothes to flourish. Its outer looked like a tent. The interior of the tent was furnished with modern decor. Each tent contains 2 bedrooms with a sitting area and 2 bathrooms, a separate kitchen with a cook and other services available all the time. Each tent is reserved for 5 people because of its spacious infrastructure. Hundreds of French architects, craftsmen, workers, and interior designers worked for over a year to build such magnificent tents. A total of 50 tents assembled with 5 avenues, with a central fitted fountain. The whole area was looks like a star shape representing 5 continents. The other special tent was settled as a tent of honor for the reception of guests, and the banquet hall tent. Food and decoration. At that time, the Maxims, based in Paris, Maxims de Paris, was the best restaurant in the world. So Shah signed a deal with Maxims. That deal got attention from the whole world and expected that the party would have delicious cuisines. 10 days before the party, Maxims shipped their whole crew, chefs, waiters, staffs, types of equipment, and other workers to Persepolis. It was estimated that 18 tons of food accumulated, including millions of eggs, 2,700 kilograms of beef, and 1,280 kg fowl, with other extraordinary food items. It became controversial that hundreds of tons of food and goods had been transported and imported to separate desolate desert. Reaching a venue was challenging and required demanding logistics. To transport goods, the emperor ordered the built airfield in Shiraz, some 50 kilometers away from venue, and the highway was route connecting these two sites. From the track, all the imported goods, materials, and needed supplies reached the venue. At the place like venue and the world's high class guests, it was crucial to take care of the security, as already the emperor was facing tough resentment and anger of people. Unpleasant may be happen at the venue. It was a big tough challenge to prevail security because it was already acts of violence cited at that time. Emperor Shah deployed his secret police along with troops, estimated around 65,000 for the 100 guests. There were security checkpoints every few meters. One of the greatest threats they were facing at that time was poisoning of food, so that's why they built a tightly security banquet hall. The special servants got hired from Switzerland. Also, he tightly pegged the Iran border. The guests were the only allowed entering or leaving the place. The whole city was raided at the suspicious by police and many arrested. Schools and universities were closed at that time. The dresses for the great party were all exclusively designed by French tailors by utilizing precious gems, diamonds, and golden threads. Each dress was prepared by thousands of dollars in expense. Finally, the day had arrived. We can assume that how everyone was alert and conscious at the same time because their reputation was at stake. October 14, 1971, media team was gathered from all over the world to cover the party footage and for witnessing the fulfillment of the great promise. Queen of
ఈ
Britain did
పార్టీలో
not
ఎంతో విలువైన
attend the
ఫుడ్
party,
డెకరేషన్
but
లగ్జరీ
her
అకామిడేషన్
behalf
ఉంది.
her
అన్నిటికంటే
husband
ముఖ్యమైనది ఈ
Philip of Edinburgh and daughter Anne have arrived at venue.